Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So this week I wanted to talk about why I keep my own home organized. I just wanted to share with you guys that I have two little kids and a husband who travels, so life can be very crazy and busy. And one thing that allows me to kind of keep up, so to speak, with everything going on is knowing that my home is organized and that I do have places for almost everything in my home and I know where they are. So if I were to put things back into their home, it doesn't always look that way. But if I were to put things back in their home and something comes up and I need to find something or I need special gear for this activity or that activity, I do know where it is. I also feel that my family thrives best when there's less clutter. So we try to keep things that are out to a minimum, and we do try to put things away, just kind of like a daily reset, maybe even every couple of days. It doesn't always happen every day, but for our own, I think, mental health and sanity and just being able to be fully present, it really helps when I have my organized house. I do know where everything is, and yeah, we can just roll with it. So I know some of you probably feel the same. And of course, if you're needing help organizing your home, you should reach out to a professional organizer and we can help you out. All right, we'll see you next week with Just the Tip.